Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock in the Dark. Yeah, I was editing videos this morning at about 4 o'clock, and all of a sudden the only light I had was the screen of the computer because the laptop has a battery and the lights stay on. Fortunate that was that way because then I could see my way up out of the basement. I came upstairs. Lydia was sitting in the dark watching her phone, which was lighting her face, and that was the only light in the house. So I used my phone to light my way out to get the uh, flashlight, which fortunately I always keep one. And so now I have light enough to get along with. We've got lamps and candles and various and sundry other things scattered through the house so that we can see to get our way around. It's very 1860s around here right now. But there is a problem. There is no internet. The only internet I have is what this phone connects to, which is a cell tower. But I can't download anything to upload it onto the internet without having power because I have to run several auxiliary items for the laptop. So, having said all that, no video today. I'm hoping that the power is going to come on, but I'm not going to guarantee it, so I'm thinking no video today. I'll see you guys tomorrow or as soon as the power comes on, and we'll live through this too. It is kind of cool that we have kerosene lamps, and I have battery backups and other things available so that I can carry on as if, well, it was 1860. If you have any suggestions for new video, oh, wait a minute, we can't do that today because I can't do any videos. So I'll see you tomorrow.